Here we have a 2023 Jeep Compass. The car was towed in to the shop because of a no start condition. What it does is no crank, no start. You try to start it, everything turns on, all the electricals are working. It's just the car will not start. Customer did install a new battery and that made no change. It's still a no start condition. So let's check this one out, see what's going on, and then I'll get right to it. Okay, so upon a basic battery inspection on this 2023 Jeep Compass, I can see that this battery, the main battery, was replaced. But let's keep in mind that most of these newer models that have a start-stop function do have a second battery. It's a smaller battery, an auxiliary battery, and let's keep in mind that if that battery is testing bad, your car will not start. So we have tested this smaller battery and it tested bad, so let's change this battery and then we'll see what happens. But more than likely the car is going to start after we replace the smaller battery. So always remember, if your car does not start and you've already replaced the main battery, more than likely the smaller battery is your problem. So let's get right to it. Okay, so a quick update on the Jeep Compass. We replaced the auxiliary battery and now the car starts up and everything is working the way it should. So it's safe to say that this battery, the smaller battery, fixed the problem and this car is fixed. So hope this video helps. Thank you.